Alright everyone, we're back again with another sneaker cleaning video. We're not going to be doing any restoration today, just cleaning. As you can see, these shoes are kind of dirty. Got some dirt in the suede here. So we're going to just get all that out. Get a closer look here. Also, the bottom is very dirty. Look there. So first off, we're just going to be cutting our Reshoevn8r shoe tree into the shoes. Now we're just going to unlace the shoes. Now that the shoe's completely unlaced, we are going to clean the uppers using a soft bristle brush, or called the suede brush. We're only going to be using this on the uppers so we do not damage any of the suede. But on the midsoles and the soles, we are going to be using the sole brush and our brass bristle brush just to get all that extra dirt out of there. Let's get started.
Breeze Beats.
We're finally done after the cleaning process. You can see they are a lot nicer looking. The bottom especially. Just slight yellow, so we're gonna put that in the washer, and that's gonna get rid of the odors from the inside along with any extra external things that we missed. So we're gonna put it in the sneaker laundry bag from Reshoevn8r. We are also going to throw the laces in there. Alright, the shoes are finally done out of the washer. They're not going to need any repaint. You can look, they're nice on the inside. I think the previous owner did keep them in pretty nice condition because none of the suede was torn or anything like that. They're in pretty good condition except for the soles. They had some dirt on them, but that's all away now. So you can see they're back in white, just a little bit of gray in here, not anything bad. Midsole's completely white, tip of the shoe white. These are really nice shoes. You can see all the dirt has been removed. They're just really solid shoes. I think that these are one of my favorite Jordan 7 colorways. Now, the laces are also very nice because they have these metal tips on them for this special colorway. So we're about to lace these shoes up